Hello again, welcome back to RentSyst channel. Glad to see you with us. In this video guide, I want to share with you the topic about WordPress. This is one of the frequently asked questions, how to integrate with WordPress. So the answer will be in this video guide. All right, so as you already know, the RentSyst has a special plugin for WordPress. So basically you will need to link it to find the plugin of RentSyst, install it to WordPress, link it to RentSyst, and next customize it according to your goals and design preferences. How this process looks like. So we right now in a test environment on the WordPress. You will need to go for plugins. You can see it's already there, RentSyst, but for instance, you don't have it, and how to find the RentSyst. So basically type it, and it will be find it from the database from the store of the WordPress. There will be the page with official details. I also share with you the link which you get direct access on WordPress store to read some details, to check preview about plugins. So check link below for sure. The next you will need to install it. It's active now. So when you will click active, okay, you will have created automatically, the system automatically creates for you this RentSyst icon with the plugin inside. So the first step here will be to link your RentSyst account with your WordPress. I want to pay you attention that in case you don't have RentSyst account yet, this integration will not be possible to do because RentSyst plugin works based on the RentSyst engine, and the data like locations, vehicle, pricing, insurances, like full details about your business specification, it goes directly from RentSyst account. So if you don't have RentSyst, please register for free trial at rentsyst.com, create account, and only next you can link it to your WordPress here. So when you will link it, you can see connection account. So you can see that it's connected. And when you will connect it, let me switch to my RentSyst account. When you will connect it on your RentSyst account inside integration and agents, plugin automatically creates for you agent. Here it is, WordPress RentSyst vp.rentsyst.com. So this is the same WordPress website that I'm using right now. So it goes automatically. You can see Synchronize. So two important buttons I want to pay your attention here: Synchronize settings and Synchronize fleet. When you will make it, and why these buttons are so important. The plugins are not updated automatically. I mean, if you will add something on your backside inside RentSyst, you add some new vehicle, or you update some details about vehicles, about your fleet, you will need to get inside your RentSyst. You will need to go inside your WordPress account and click Synchronize Fleet, and it goes like synchronization of full fresh details from your backside from the RentSyst. Same about settings. Let me switch again. In case you're changing something inside your settings of RentSyst, let's say you add something here, or you add some new location, or you add or change something in your seasonal tarification periods details, or you add some taxes. I mean, if you something change inside your settings, you need to update it on WordPress as well. Yeah, synchronize settings. Okay. The next also there is like some buttons inside catalog and individual page. The plugin automatically created for you. You can customize and build with the plugin not only booking page, but additional catalog vehicle page and individual page per vehicle. So if you have it like 20 cars, the RentSyst can automatically create for you pages for every 20 cars on your website as well. Privacy policy page, recommended to link it. Okay. And confirmation page also should be RentSyst confirmation page, because sometimes if you're choosing like any other, What is this? Basically, when the customer finalize and confirm the order, the page with choosing here will be displayed when order is created. And basically, the better to show for the customer confirmation page, which also you can customize on the RentSyst site. I will show you today in a bit. You can also create interactive bottom for booking, like this one. You can see I click on it, it's appear here. You can customize the color. For instance, let's make it like this one. Show animation or not showing, allow, okay, this one, this one, this one, and this one. So basically you decide how you want to get it. Location of the panel, right, left, yeah. And builder. So for now, we have two designs. The first version is a bit old already, so we highly recommend it to activate builder design 2.0. Click save, of course, and the next going for design. We have full video explanation how works editor for reservation page. So I will left link below. So highly recommended to check it. Also, you can get it for the right corner right here. And there is like full explanation about all these steps here. You can also customize catalog, filters, activate or enable, position right or left, colors, fixed position, it means it will be or fixed or it will be scrolling together with your fleet page. And the templates, of course. You can also have the vehicles here. There is like all full explanation how to customize vehicle pages as well. We also have FAQ guide on our website. This is how it looks like, RentSyst WordPress plugin. So I also highly recommend it to check it because there's like a lot of information. But the most important that I want to pay your attention here is the shortcodes. This is for vehicle page customization. Yeah, here's a sample. Here's a sample. Okay, so by using the shortcodes like this one, you will be able to finalize the final version how your vehicle page will be looks like inside a separate vehicle page. Okay, so all these codes available here. Yeah, I'm also left these shortcodes in a short description below, I guess. And basically that's it. So basically click on RentSyst to your WordPress, integrate it, try to use it. In case you will need some help or support, you can always contact our support department. And thanks for watching. Hope it was useful for you. Links below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, guys.